John left Seattle in the year of '92 with George Pratt, his partner, and brother Billy too. They crossed the Yukon River and found the Bonanza Gold below that old white mountain just a little southeast of Nome, where the river is winding, big nuggets they're finding. North to Alaska, we're going north, the rush is on. North to Alaska, we're going north, the rush is on. All right, let's get to some baking. And in case you didn't recognize the song at the beginning, it was Johnny Horton's North to Alaska. Great old movie with John Wayne and Stuart Granger. I can't remember who played Brother Billy, but if you haven't ever seen that movie, I highly recommend it. Great movie. All right, let's get to today's cooking. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's recipe and will give it a try. And until Friday when we have Chapter 2 of Land Rovers, take care, stay safe,